Kituko. Hey.
Yo, what up? What up? I am Kituko x Kehinde, and I'm back again with another video. See, I got my boy Warren here with me. Hey, do something new, we going out. We finna get ready to go out. Can't tell y'all what we about to do, but we finna go out. Gonna go out and see some shit. Oh, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. Yeah.
Comment.
We finna start another video on. We might be out all night. I don't know. But anyway, y'all make sure y'all comment, share, like the video, and yeah, start another video, man. Cause I got the video coming back to back. Yeah, shit like that. But all right, y'all, we out of here, man. Let's do it again. Salute to the red. I swear it looked like we in deer somewhere. Look like we in deer somewhere. I don't know where the hell we at. In the jungle, where the monkeys at? Oh, this a goddamn football field. It's a football field, man. Hold up. Yeah, it's a football field. What the? The ball will go out in the woods? God, it's a whole football field. Who the Racines?
The big star of the football.
God dang.
The name of the stad, Bernabeu.
Bernabeu.
Yeah.
God damn.
Viens jouer le ballon.
How they gonna play with
Ooh, the mango.
Look down through here. No monkeys, y'all. No monkeys. Monkeys ain't around right now. Oh. Here's something. What's that? Quelque chose.
Right.
Shoot my video with you. Sun going down, y'all. Finna head up here on my way. Probably catch a taxi. Hit the dog. All right, y'all. Be right back.
Sucker free, sucker free, sucker free, sucker free, sucker free, sucker free, sucker free. You can say what you want, but the barking don't bother me. What you talk about, dumb, like my stats, but don't follow me.
Cross Creole. We're going back up this way. Bodies. I do this every video. One Gary. Fufu. I mean, Gary and Kong. Hops over there. I don't think I'm going out tonight, y'all. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. I don't think I'm going out tonight. I might stay in. I don't even know. Y'all might have to wait and see. Y'all might have to wait and see. Might not go out tonight. Look at all this trash in this all this trash in the road, y'all. Yeah, they water. Trash. I got a big old bag. Look at that. Yeah, I know it's a lot. Oh. Well, that's the sign. Y'all see the trash? Hold on. The trash in the road across there. The trash dump the thing up there, man. The trash be all in the road. Look at this man. Look at this man. Running down the road. Yeah, he finna go dump the trash up there. And the trash already all in the road. All the way down. Bunch of trash, man. The rain water, there was just a bunch of water coming down the road. And it just washed all the trash down all the way down the road. I bet there's a bunch of it down there. Damn, they said ain't nobody gonna clean it up. They said ain't nobody gonna clean it up. Y'all see the trash, man. The trash all the way down the road. All the way down there. Ooh, look at this. Man, that shit bad. We got people in here. Got folks in here already. Woo! Look at that. Trash all the way up the road, y'all. They just cut the power back on. They cut the power off at 10:10, cut it back on at 11:10. Exactly 1 hour. You know, they did yesterday, so they didn't start cutting the power for an hour. Well, they're cutting this shit. You know what these people, what they be doing, man. Crazy, man. You know, this shit aggravating, though. Especially if it's raining and shit, too. Folks don't care about nobody here, man. I'm finna end this video on the inside cause it's raining like hell outside. Make sure y'all don't eat no sugar and shit, cause look how you gotta end this video, y'all. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all see all that trash down the road, man. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment on the video.
No, that's that song. Huh?
Y'all finna end this video.
No taxi.
Subscribe to the channel. Like, share, comment. Become a member.
I saw so many taxis.
We out of here.
Look at the trash.